Hi guys, good morning. If you ever come across this kind of a question, don't panic because I'm here to solve it. The question is: the sum of three consecutive numbers is 84. Find the numbers. The first step is let's say the numbers be x and x plus 1 and x plus 2. So solution. First step, you collect the like terms. You say x plus x plus x plus 1 plus 2 is equivalent to 84. Now, next step is you collect the like terms. You say you add the like terms. Sorry, you say x plus x plus x equivalent to 3x. Then 1 plus 2 is equivalent to 3. You say plus 3 is equivalent to 84. The next step is you transfer this one to this place, whereby say 3x is equivalent to 84 minus 3. So this number here, this positive. So if you transfer to this place, it will be negative. So you subtract 84 not 3. So 84 minus 3 is 81. So you say 3x equivalent to 81. So next step is you divide 3 84 by 3 so as to find the x. Now you say this one and this one, then 81 by 3 is 27. So you say x is equal to 27. Now the number is 27. So you say x now is 27, and the following number should be 27 plus 1, and the following number should be 27 plus 2. Now it will be 27, 28 and 29. Correct.